What's up, YouTube? Today's video is going to be a little bit different than most of my videos. We usually talk automotive on this channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I have an icon somewhere on the bottom of the screen. Click the like button if you learn anything from this video. Also follow us on Instagram at automotive.life, and let's get into the video. So today's video is all about my journey on YouTube. So I started this channel probably about a year and a half ago. I didn't take it seriously for the last probably year, but the last 6 months is when I kind of started to go a little bit more serious about it. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my journey, what I've learned along the way, and how I'm extremely humbled at the whole experience. So first off is the whole reason the channel was around was I was contacted by a production company, which I can't say the name. They were looking at basically starting an online streaming service to do automotive content. They believed that in the next 3 to 5 years that cable would be dead and everything would be either online streaming or some sort of social media type of information. So they wanted to find content creators / hosts that would talk about automotive stuff and things of that nature. So they wanted somebody that talked intelligently but also still worked on cars, so it was nice in between of both people, because there's a lot of these people that are so-called car people that, you know, that say they know everything about cars but have never turned a wrench in a day in their life. And then you have some of these amazing mechanics, but unfortunately they're very, I guess, backyard or hillbilly-ish, so they're not really good for social media and talking and explaining how things are done. So they approached me a long time ago, about 2 years ago, saying that this is their plan and they'd like to find somebody. So I was like, what do I got to do? They're like, well, you need to start a YouTube channel. So I did that. You need to get 10,000 subscribers. You need to have 30 videos, and each of your videos need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers. This would be 10,000 views. And then we feel that you're relevant enough where this way we'd give you money to start producing content. So that's where my journey began. So I started my channel. I posted a few things, and I just kind of got busy with work, got busy with the dealership, and just didn't post. So this company reached back out to me again, and they're like, hey, Lucky, if you're serious, you need to post more videos more often. I was like, I apologize, I'm totally gonna do that. So I started posting more videos about, you know, how to get your dealer's license, some more informational content, and all of a sudden that exploded with a lot of people reaching out to me for consulting, teaching classes and doing other stuff. So then I kind of, same thing, I fell back off of YouTube. I started doing nothing but consulting. I was traveling all over the US, sitting with dealerships, rental car companies, automotive repair shops, big dealer groups, even some car flippers, going over the things that I do. And it worked out really, really well. Once again, this production company reached back out to me and said, hey, Lucky, you're not being serious about YouTube. You need to get back into making videos and making more content. So I said, no problem, I promise, this time I will. So as I started doing the content, things were going good, and about 2 months ago, they reached back out to me. They're like, we love what you're doing on your YouTube channel. My Instagram was booming, because at that time I posted every day. I got about 200-something thousand followers on Instagram. So they're like, we're ready for you to make the leap, and we're gonna give you your own show or channel or whatever it was going to be. So it was fantastic. So I flew to New York to meet the company, and we were going over the numbers and everything else like that. And basically, bottom line is they were going to give me money to produce videos every week. But the downfall is they wanted to own Automotive Life. They wanted to own my website. They wanted to own all my online classes. They wanted to own my Instagram, everything about me. So I was like, well, you know, are you going to pay me anything for my name? They were like, nope. Are you guys going to pay me for any of my intellectual properties? They're like, nope, they're ours. So I just kind of laughed, and I was like, so what am I getting out of this? And they were going to give me a base salary basically to produce videos. And I told them, I'm not an on-air talent, even though I'd like to do more of that. I want to be more of a producer of my own content and marketing and stuff like that. And they did not like that. So I told them they can basically kick rocks. It wasn't, you know, the part of the deal. I don't want to be owned by a company, you know, and I want to be able to do what I want to do. So a lot of people said I was a fool for turning down the money, but at the end of the day, it's not about money. If I wanted to still make a bunch of money, I would open up a franchise store, another 2-3 dealerships. Instead, I'd rather make videos like this and go help other people learn as much as they can in the automotive industry. So you know, as I've started this journey, it's been, like I said, extremely humbling. You know, I've seen a lot of my friends and also people that I know that started with, you know, no followers and all of a sudden grown to these amazing channels, you know, and as I've gotten to meet more and more YouTubers, I was truly shocked at the amount of dedication, time, resources, and just overall knowledge and experience that these guys have. You know, I don't even know how these people even post videos every single day. That is insane to me, because I only make maybe videos once a week or twice a week. And to me, it's an extremely tedious task. It's a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money. And these guys do it just like clockwork, which is truly amazing. So if you haven't already, if you watch more than, you know, a few channels and you see these guys posting, make sure you like and comment on their stuff, because it means a lot, because these guys put a lot of time and dedication in these videos. And like I said, it was a truly humbling experience, because no matter how smart and clever we think we are, you know, you're always humbled by other people that are doing amazing things. So one of the people that actually kind of inspired me has nothing to do with the automotive industry. His name is Stephan. Shout out to you if you're watching. You know, when I first messaged him, I think he had probably like 30,000 subscribers, and he was still doing videos with his iPhone, you know, but the thing about him is I liked is he did more talking head videos like what I'm doing right now. You know, all these guys were doing flash and graphics and flashy cars and stuff like that, but there was no substance to their content. Where, you know, when I watched some of his videos, he just gave a real thorough breakdown of the things he loved, the things that he enjoyed, how he made his money. He was very open. And that's one of the things I pride myself on, is, you know, being open about the automotive industry. You know, a lot of people have commented, and I've even gotten messages from dealers that are like upset that, like, why are you telling people how to do finance? Why are you telling people how to get their dealer's license? That's more competition. Just as I know, as well as Stephan knows, is there's more than enough pie out in the world for everybody to get. We don't have to be greedy. We don't have to hog it all. If you have more educated people out there, it actually helps our industry, because we're not going against a bunch of boneheads that are overbidding on stuff, whether it's cars, real estate, whatever the case is, and it helps our community, you know, that way. So, you know, as I started watching people like him and who's another one, Doug DeMuro, Parker from Vehicle Virgins, you know, these guys are really great guys, and the dedication to their content was truly amazing. So as of, I think it was August of this year, I decided to go full time. And, you know, I promised a video a week, which I totally screwed that up. I was doing maybe one every maybe 5 weeks. So now I'm actually posting regular. I'm doing one a week. Eventually I'm going to step it up to probably 2 a week once we head into January. But you know, one of the things that I've learned along this journey is that the amount of interaction I get from you guys has been truly amazing. You know, I've heard people saying, you know, that they're so happy for their fans, or they're so happy for their followers and stuff like that. And I'm just like, well, that's cool, you know, but after, you know, getting the likes, the comments, the shares, the views, you know, it is truly a humbling experience, because never in my wildest dreams would I even thought that I would break 1,000 subscribers. You know, some of my videos got 100,000 views, which is awesome. I'm usually about 4,000 to 8,000 views per video. Some people are like, that's amazing. Some people don't really care. They think that's small, but to me, I think it's truly amazing. So like I said, I am truly thankful for you guys, for all the likes, the follows, everything else. If you're still watching this, please put something funny in the comments. I don't care if it's tacos, bread, I'd buy that for $1, or even if you want to put Stephan, just something funny just to kind of keep this video interactive. But you know, like I said, I'm going to also make a video of how much money I've made throughout the year as my YouTube experience, because I turned down a pretty decent salary from this production company to make videos for you guys, technically for free. But I still monetize my content. I'm a business owner first, mentally, and then content producer, I guess, second. So, you know, a lot of people are wondering, well, how are you going to make money? How are you going to afford to travel and do stuff and buy cars and everything else? And so I want to share some of those things with you. So this won't be in this video. I'll make another video explaining how much money I make and what I do to actually make money on social media. But one of the things I wanted to talk about was the whole journey of everything, like I said, as of today, because starting from, like I said, about 1.5 years ago till now has been insane. And even though I've only been really doing this for about 6 months full time because of, you know, everything that's been going on, the whole 2020 bad, you know, thing, I don't want to say the thing because they'll demonetize this video, but it actually gave me a lot of incentive to put more time into creating content like this, to reaching out to people like you guys, and to trying to get as much information out there. So Now I really need to grow my online classes, and my goal is to build a really large automotive community, whether it's on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is. You know, I have my site right now that just has my information and some of my classes and consulting, but I'd like to build almost like a blog where, like I said, we can share our triumphs, our fails, some of the good things that are working in your market, some of the bad things that are not working in your market. You know, we also do social media marketing for other dealerships and other repair shops and stuff like that, and I'd like to share that with other people. I don't care whether you're selling a $300,000 Lamborghini or a $50 bucket or moped, you know, it doesn't really matter. All this stuff works for everybody across the board. So it's very important that we want to share this information with you guys to make sure that we can help you be successful along your journey in the automotive industry. So anyways, without me rambling on so much, I just want to say thank you. 2020 has been an amazing year / crazy year as well. But thank you guys once again so much for watching. Please subscribe. Like I said, the icon's somewhere here on the corners. Like the video, share, comment, like I said, because none of this matters unless the almighty YouTube algorithm shares our content with amazing viewers like yourselves. So once again, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video.